Hello everyone, I am Anna. Welcome to IELTS Lebanon. For today's video, I will be showing you how IELTS will help you achieve your goals whether academically or for immigration purposes. You will also learn how to register and take the IELTS test locally. So, let's get started. Before we start, let us define what is IELTS and why it is one of the most high-stake tests in the world. IELTS is an English language test for study, migration, or work. Over 3 million people take the test every year. IELTS is accepted by more than 11,000 employers, universities, schools, and immigration bodies around the world. You can choose academic test for university or professional admission programs, or the general training test for the immigration and other visa applications. If you want to move to an English-speaking country to study, then you should take the IELTS academic test. For work or immigration, the IELTS general training test is recommended. IELTS Lebanon is offering both these tests with wide variety of test type to choose from. You can now take the IELTS test by paper or computer-delivered test. Since IELTS Lebanon is operating in all the regions of Lebanon, you can rest assured that there is a near place for you to take the test. You can select from Beirut, Saida, Tripoli, Nabatea, Mount Lebanon, and many more cities on which we administer the IELTS on a monthly basis. When you register, you will receive free preparation materials such as online pre-IELTS course, practice tests, online references, and special ebook with listening CD. Because we care, IELTS not only go nearer to you, but we support your dreams come true. Our customer support team are ready to assist you with the needed preparation to better prepare you for the test. Lastly, IELTS also helps you to process your study abroad program. Through our affiliated institutions and countries such as Canada, Australia, the United Kingdom, the United States of America, Ireland, and New Zealand. For more information about our services, you can visit our website shown in the screen or click the description below for more comprehensive details of the IELTS. Thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.